So here I would like to introduce to you how to use Bilingual Reader for TerpMate. Bilingual Reader is a groundbreaking new feature for CI tools. We invented Bilingual Reader because during our interpretation job, sometimes we were given materials, transcripts, or scripts of speeches at the very last minute, and we don't really have time to go through every one of them and check every word. And we do need to do some glancing through and perhaps some keywords translation. Now, this tool will help you with that to make it easier. And of course, in the preparation process, when we have more time, we can basically load in the documents into a folder. And in this case, I'm showing a folder. You can choose a folder here, and then you can open that and put everything into the folder. All right, there can be subfolders as well. For example, I have a document and the original language is Chinese. So here I can actually choose the language from Mandarin Chinese to English. Okay, and of course I can switch the language if I want. And so from Mandarin to English, I can translate this original text using any of the engines here, either the online Google engine, Microsoft, or the GT offline engine. And then you can just click translation and you will see how this is translated very fast. So translation is over. At the same time, you can actually modify any of the uh, translation words on the right hand side. For example, if I don't like, you know, maybe guess, I'll change it to delegates, and then I can save it. So once I save this there will be a document called, the same title but with English, the language there. So next time, I can just click on this one. You see, is already like two different languages being loaded. Now the other good thing is that, as you probably have noticed, that these documents are correspondingly highlighted in paragraphs by paragraphs when I move my mouse cursor down and scrolling, and this helps me focusing on the original text as well as the translation as the speaker goes. And I can actually follow this, with my attention. And if this is very long, and I perhaps take over halfway from my booth partner and I don't know where she is, so I can probably search here when I hear some keywords like Belt and Road. You can see there's many Belt and Road, and I can just click next to find the right place, and then I can take over from her. Of course, I can actually add in any document that I have already pre-translated and modified here, and save them as a pair. Okay, and there is also a font size here. I can choose normal or medium or large if I want to have large fonts for the comfort of my eyes on the screen. I can also enlarge the fonts or make it smaller as I wish. All right, so this is very simple for TerpMate. It works for Word document, for some of the PDF and PowerPoint document, but they work ideally on Word documents. All right, so enjoy.